Is snoring a part of your routine? Do you miss the freshness of a healthy sleep? To improve your sleep, you must learn about your sleep quality. One sleep test, a small test that can bring a big difference to your sleep health. Repeat this test for 3 days. In 3 to 5 days, you will receive a detailed report validated by a sleep physician. Bring home one sleep test